Daily care for digital press. In this video, we are going to learn about the daily maintenance activity we should perform on our digital press. First of all, what are the section we should clean daily is paper path of ADU, paper path of PF, main body tray, multi-bypass tray, sensing sensor of PF. And what are the things required for cleaning is isopropyl alcohol, soft cloth with no peeling. We will start from ADU section. What are the subsection of ADU section that need to be cleaned daily is upper section of duplex section, paper path of registration unit, fusing unit entrance guide, lower side of duplex section. To open the ADU, you have to open the door of main body, then hold the lever M1 and pull out the duplex. Once you pull out the duplex, you can see in image 2 that area with the red mark. We have to clean that area, that is upper side of duplex section. Once you done with the upper side of duplex section, you have to flip the registration section door, and as you can see in image 1, we have to clean the path of registration unit as shown in image 1. And after cleaning the path of registration unit, we have to clean the registration rollers as you can see in image 2. Once you done with the registration unit, we have to clean the fusing unit entrance guide. This guide is just before the fusing unit. It is shown with the red mark in first image. After that, we will go for the lower side of duplex section as we can see in image 2. We will clean that area that shows with the red mark. Then we have to push the lever to open the duplex unit. As you can see in image 2, once you open the duplex unit, we have to clean the area of duplex unit. After that, on the same unit on the left side, we have to clean this guide also. Then main body tray, pull out the tray, and then you can see the paper feed section. We have to flip that section, paper feed section, and once you flip it, you will see the rollers. We have to clean the roller with the soft cloth damped in alcohol. And once you done with the tray 1, same activity we have to do for tray 2 also. If you have multi-bypass installed with the machine, either it is MB506 or MB508, we have to clean the pickup roller of bypass also. As you can see in image, we have to clean that roller. Then paper feeder unit, we have to clean the paper path of PF also. So open the door and open the lever of vertical section, that is PF1, and then clean the area that shows in a white in image 2. Then we have to clean the second section, that is you have to open the lever PF2 and then wipe up the stain with the help of soft cloth. Once you're done with that section, as you can see in image 2, you have to open the horizontal section with the help of lever PF4, and we have to clean that area also. So these are the things we have to clean in PF. Then LU pickup roller cleaning is very easy. You have to open the door, and once you open the door, you will see the roller on your front. You have to clean that roller with the soft cloth damp with the alcohol. Now centering sensor of PF, we have to clean that also, but please keep in mind, for the cleaning of centering sensor we will not use alcohol. Open the door and open the cover PF4. Once you open that cover, as you can see with the red mark, you will see that glass kind of thing is there. We have to clean that glass with the help of soft cloth, and please do not use alcohol for cleaning the centering sensor. And once you done with the all this cleaning activity, then only switch on the machine and you will see that paper jamming is very less now as compared to previous. Thank you so much.